Hello and welcome back to Key to Self. Are you feeling lucky? Well, 2024 might just be your year. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to discover which zodiac signs are said to have the most fortune shine upon them. It's true that hard work and wise choices shape our paths, but sometimes it feels like the universe itself is giving us a little nudge in the right direction. Astrology tells us that the stars and planets can influence our luck, with some signs experiencing waves of good fortune more than others depending on celestial alignments. In this episode, we're unveiling the top 5 luckiest zodiac signs of 2024. Will your sign make the list? Stay tuned as we explore the cosmic favor forecasted for this year and find out if you're one of the lucky ones. Number 1. Aquarius. Kicking off our list at number 1, Aquarius claims the title of the luckiest zodiac sign in the Saturn year 2024. As Saturn, the co-ruler of Aquarius, resides in its own sign for most of the year, Aquarians are set to experience an unprecedented alignment with their planetary guide. This stellar connection empowers Aquarius to manifest their goals and dreams with remarkable ease and clarity. Adding to their good fortune, Jupiter, the planet of expansion and the other co-ruler of Aquarius, will transit through Aries and Taurus throughout the year. This movement promises to bring waves of optimism, growth, and abundance into the lives of those born under this air sign. Aquarians are poised for a year filled with innovation and significant social impact, leveraging their unique talents and visionary ideas to make a meaningful difference in the world. Number 2. Capricorn. Next on our list is Capricorn, who is set to have a highly favorable year in 2024. With Saturn, the ruler of Capricorn, forming a harmonious aspect with their sign, Capricorns can expect a period of significant relief and accomplishment. This comes after enduring a challenging phase during Saturn's previous transit through their sign, a time that tested their resilience and dedication. Having learned valuable lessons and honed their skills, Capricorns are now positioned to enjoy a year marked by recognition and success. The trials they faced have prepared them to excel and achieve stability in their endeavors. In 2024, Capricorns will witness the fruits of their labor as their years of hard work and perseverance bring them well-deserved rewards and a sense of profound satisfaction. Number 3. Gemini. Gemini takes the 3rd spot for luck in 2024 thanks to Saturn being in the friendly sign of Aquarius and forming a beneficial trine aspect with Gemini. This alignment promises a year rich in learning, communication, and networking for those born under the sign of the twins. Gemini will find themselves at the crossroads of new information, innovative ideas, and valuable contacts, opening doors to fresh opportunities and collaborations. Adding to their fortunate year, the presence of Rahu, the north node of the moon, and Gemini itself will enhance their natural curiosity, creativity, and versatility. This celestial influence encourages Geminis to explore and innovate, pushing them to experiment with various possibilities and opportunities. The year 2024 will be a time of exploration, discovery, and groundbreaking advancements for Gemini as they navigate through an array of exciting new ventures. Number 4. Libra. Fourth on our list of the luckiest zodiac signs in 2024 is Libra, set to enjoy a harmonious year thanks to Saturn's presence in the compatible sign of Aquarius, which forms a supportive sextile aspect with Libra. This alignment fosters a year filled with harmony, balance, and cooperation, enabling Libras to establish and maintain positive relationships that enhance their personal and professional lives. Additionally, Venus, the ruler of Libra, will traverse through Pisces, Gemini, and Sagittarius, infusing Libra's year with romance, charm, and adventure. This planetary movement accentuates the beauty, happiness, and enjoyment in Libra's life, allowing them to fully engage in their passions and pleasures. The year 2024 promises to be one of delightful experiences and fun for Libra as they navigate a path filled with aesthetic and emotional fulfillment. Number 5. Sagittarius. Rounding out our top 5 luckiest zodiac signs for 2024 is Sagittarius, poised for a fortunate yet challenging year. With Saturn in the supportive sign of Aquarius and forming a square aspect, Sagittarius will encounter a year marked by challenges that will catalyze growth and transformation. This configuration ensures that Sagittarians are well-equipped to tackle and overcome any obstacles that may arise, turning potential setbacks into stepping stones for success. Additionally, the presence of Jupiter, the ruler of Sagittarius in Aries and Taurus during the year, amplifies this sign's natural enthusiasm, confidence, and abundance. This beneficial influence promises a year filled with adventure, freedom, and expansion, empowering Sagittarius to pursue their goals and dreams with renewed vigor and optimism. The year 2024 for Sagittarius will be a dynamic mix of overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities, making it a truly transformative and enriching year. And that concludes our look at the top 5 luckiest zodiac signs for 2024. Whether you're an adventurous Sagittarius or an innovative Aquarius, it seems the stars have some exciting things in store. If your sign made the list, get ready to harness this cosmic favor to its fullest potential. For those whose signs didn't appear, remember, luck can come in many forms and at unexpected times. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our astrological insights here at Key to Self. Share your thoughts and expectations for 2024 in the comments below, whether you're looking forward to seizing opportunities or simply curious about what the universe has planned. Thanks for watching, and here's to a lucky and prosperous year ahead for all.